left. That's it. So those are going to sell. All right, let's jump into this. And this is Stamps of Life. And it's called the Word Stand Up A2 card base and the Word card dies. And it's absolutely adorable. How cute is this little sample of what she's done with this? It's so adorable because it all stands up and it's got some fun designs. What you're getting is Party Word Stand Up Extra dies, and you're getting the 6-page idea booklet. You're also getting the drop-in dies, which you'll see what happens in just a second on that, because this does more than we're showing you right here. All of this included in this one kit. And joining me is Stephanie, and Stephanie's back, of course. Hi, honey. It's good to see you as always.
Hi, Suzanne. Nice to see you too. I am so excited about this die set because, yes, it looks like a cute little card die set that says happy and it says retirement, but when you fold it up, look at that. It says happy and it's cut out, and you can really see, oh, here, let's move it down. Look at that. It's all cut out and it says happy. Now, in your kit, you are getting not only the hello die, so it's going to pop up the word hello on a stand-up. You're also getting all of these awesome layering dies. You're getting these great flowers, some greenery. But because this is an exclusive bundle to HSN, I have also included the words happy, celebrate, and party.
Nice. So
you're going to have 4 different options just with this one item, 4 different words that you can decorate this. Now, first of all, let me just show you first. This is how cute it is. So there you go. There's the cute little happy. Here's another one. I believe these might be sold out, but this was an add-on option. Bravo was another cute one. Here's that cute wish big that you were showing. So there it looks normal, right? That just looks like a card you're giving to somebody. But it's going to have this special little notch on there that's going to pop that baby up. So now you're going to see that wish big, nice and large and right there. Now, how easy is this to do? Well, let me tell you, if it's not easy, I don't do it. So I've just got my cutting pad right here, and I'm going to show you what I would be putting into my machine. Here is my cutting pad, and you're going to notice right here, there's these little tiny notches. There's a notch there and a notch there. And you might think, oh my goodness, what does that do? Well, all of these dies, and let me show you here, all of these dies have little notches on them. You can see the notches there for hello, the notches there for celebrate, and then happy. What you're going to do, and I have party right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to line up those dies right there, and I'm going to show you this, what it looks like. You can see those notches in action. But what you're going to do is you're going to run that through and see how my little notches just line up perfectly. It just goes right inside there. And then I'm going to run it through my die cut machine just normally. Now, it's not only going to cut, it's also going to score for me at the same time. And then I am going to get this awesome looking party right there. Look at that party. So easy, so fun. I'm going to score it on the score line that the die is already created. I'm going to finger pinch on those other score lines. And then this is the little magic spot right here. I call it the belly button because it's in the middle. It's this little notch. You're going to pull that little belly button notch up, and then you're going to put your cards in there, and look at that. There's my party. I'm ready to party just with that. Now, I can also add it to just the edge if I want to. So then I could even layer that right there on top of my party, and now I'm ready, dressed and ready to go with glitter party now. So look at how easy and fast that is. Now, if I didn't want it to say party, it could have said celebrate, it could have said hello, it could have said happy, it could have said party, and then we also had those add-ons for Bravo, Wish Big, and You Rock.
No, you know what, Stephanie?
Here's another example.
Stephanie, honey bunny, you're right. Your add-ons are already sold out. So, but the cool thing is you
okay,
get 4
long
sayings.
gone. Okay,
yeah,
they
long
were
gone. They sold out way early. But you do get the 4 sayings included with this, and you can see we did Wish Big and Celebrate together in the card that I was just showing you. And you know what, Stephanie? I love it's happy, it's bright, it just makes you smile. And anything that is different than just a basic old fold-out card, I think people really appreciate.
They do. And you know what? The best part about it is it's so easy. Literally, you're just going to drop in those notches. I spent a lot of time getting those notches just right, designing it so it would be so easy. You literally drop it in and you're ready to go. So you don't have to worry about, oh, am I putting it in the right spot? How do I do this? What do I do? No, it's all in there. You just drop it in on those notches, and then you can change it out as many times as you want. So you're not buying 5 different word stand-ups. You're buying just this little piece here, and then you're going to drop that in on each one. So you have party, celebrate, happy, and you get hello. And it's just so much fun because it's so easy, and each time you can make it completely different depending on what you wanted to say.
And by the way, guys, we're limited on this. Of course, we only brought in a less than actually 1,000 for the entire event. And again, this is brand new. You guys are seeing it for the first time. It's just a really fun, easy system. And I think, Stephanie, it's just a really, it just makes you smile. It makes you happy to be able to send a wish like that.
It does. And you know what? You also get the idea booklet. Let's not forget the idea booklet. So here you get this cute little idea booklet. It's going to show you step by step, all visually, because we're creative people. We really want to see it visually, right? We never read the directions. We always just look at the pictures. So there's your pictures, all color for you. Then here's some examples. Here's that cute hello.
Well, and you know what's fun too, Stephanie, is the ideas you can do with all the stuff you already have. Just knowing you have the die to be able to make that happen. It's going to be a lot of fun. Well, Stephanie, thanks for hanging out with me tonight. It was great seeing you as always.
Thanks. Nice to see you too.
All right, guys, I got to give you a quick reminder on Sarah's subscription program. This is your last chance. We don't have any left except for about 150.